Today's Leetcode question is an queen's puzzle. Here we are given a problem in which we have to place n queens on n into n chessboard such that no two queens can attack each other. So in the input we are given a value of n and we have to place the queen in each row in a n by n matrix. So in example 1 we are given n is equals to 4. So here we are having a chessboard of dimensions n by n, 4 by 4, and we have to place a queen in each row in such a way no two queens are attacking each other. And we have to find the number of possible ways in which we can place these queen into n by n matrix. So in example 1 there are two ways in which we can place the queen in n by n matrix chessboard. So how a queen can attack another queen? There are 4 chances. If another queen is in same row, if another queen is in same column, if another queen is in same left diagonal, and fourth and last one, if another queen is in same right diagonal. We have to take care of all these 4 cases when we are trying to place our queen in a row. This is a possible solution for placing 4 queens in 4 by 4 matrix. So let's see if this is abiding by the rule which I described in the previous section. The first rule states that a queen can attack another queen if it's in the same row. So we could see that each queen is present in a separate row. Now moving to the second rule, which states that a queen can attack another queen if it's placed in a same column. So we could see each queen is present in a different column. Now going to the third rule, which states that a queen can attack another queen if it's present in the same left diagonal. So first queen left diagonal element is this one. It's not having any another queen. Similarly for queen second, there are no elements in its left diagonal, and goes for queen 3 and queen 4. Now checking for the last rule, which is no another queen should be present in the same right diagonal. For first queen, there are no other queens in its right diagonal. Similarly goes for queen 2, queen 3 and last queen. So these are the 4 conditions which we need to check while placing our queen on the chessboard. Point is, how can we find out that a queen is being attacked diagonally by another queen? Simple formulas to calculate this rule. So a queen left diagonal elements abide by a simple formula, which is row plus column, and queen's right diagonal abide by the simple formula of row minus column. Left diagonal abide by the formula of row plus column, and right diagonal abide by the formula of row minus column. So let's explain with my first queen's position. My first queen is present at row 0 and column 1. So a queen's all left diagonal elements will also have a sum equals to 0 plus 1 1. So queen left diagonal element is this one, this, and it is present at row 1 and column 0, which makes the sum of 1 plus 0 is equals to 1. Similarly, let's go to the right diagonal element. A queen right diagonal element is present at row 1 and column 2. So the formula for calculating right diagonal element is row minus column. Row here is 1 and column here is 2. 1 minus 2 is minus 1. And what's the original value says? The first queen is present at row 0 and column is 1. So it's 0 minus 1 equals to minus 1. So these are the few things which we need to keep in mind when we are trying to place our queens. So let's go to the coding part quickly, and the algorithm used here is backtracking. So let's switch to the Leetcode window. First of all, I am creating 3 sets to store the value of left diagonal, right diagonal and columns. Also, I'll create an instance variable res, which will give me the number of possible ways in which I can place the queens on the chessboard. I have also created a util method which will be having arguments of row number and the value of n. So my base case will be when row is equals to n. This means that each queen is being placed in each and every row, and I am now 100% sure that yes, this is one of the possible solution, and in that case I'll increment the value of res variable. Now I'm creating a for loop here. I represents the column number in which my queen will be placed in a particular row. Here I have created a method check validity. So it will do the calculations and let me know if I can place my queen in this particular ith column. So in arguments I am passing row and I value. If I get a green signal from this method, then I'll populate left diagonal with value row plus I, right diagonals with value row minus I. Similarly for columns. Now I'll call the util method again to place the queen in second row. Just row plus 1 and n value will be the same. According to backtracking property, I am removing the values. Last thing pending is the implementation of check validity method. So it's just checking if the columns left diagonal and right diagonal sets are already having the corresponding values present or not. If they already contains it, then we have to return false, otherwise return true. I have submitted the code and it's accepted as well. Thanks for watching this video.